Maybe EV charging shouldn't be about finding a station. Maybe it should be about plugging in wherever you park. Most cars sit parked for more than 22 hours a day. If every parking space had a simple outlet, charging would be effortless. Even low-power charging, like a standard 120-volt outlet, could cover daily driving needs. No expensive infrastructure. No waiting in line. Just seamless charging everywhere. This would reduce grid strain by spreading charging over time. It would cut installation costs compared to high-speed chargers. It would make EV charging effortless. Just park and plug in. Maybe the future of EV charging isn't about massive, centralized stations. Maybe it's about millions of simple, affordable, open-source outlets in every parking spot. If you believe in a future where EV charging is accessible to everyone, like this video and subscribe for more common-sense EV charging solutions.